Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now. Next up, Ringer helps developers leverage parallel AI agents to automate and streamline coding tasks efficiently. Ringer enables you to manage multiple AI agents for coding tasks. How it works details the architecture behind Ringer's parallel execution. Quick Start gets you up and running with Ringer in no time. Lint ensures your code meets quality standards with ease. Make Your Agent Actually Use This shows how to implement Ringer effectively. Next up, Grit helps developers manage multiple AI agents without merge conflicts, maximizing productivity and keeping code organized. The problem outlines how traditional Git struggles with parallel AI agents. The solution introduces Grit as a seamless alternative for managing agent collaboration. How it works explains the coordination layer that eliminates merge conflicts. Supported Languages lists the programming languages compatible with Grit. Backends highlights the various backends that integrate effortlessly with Grit. Next up, skybrush-server simplifies drone communication for developers, making it easy to manage drone light shows. skybrush-server is your go-to for managing drone communication seamlessly. Installation is simple. Set up a virtual environment and get started. Documentation guides you through using and extending skybrush-server effectively. Development involves managing public and private dependencies for your needs. License details ensure you know how to use skybrush-server responsibly. Next up, deepworld enables developers to create and manage AI-driven simulations effortlessly. deepworld is a self-modifying AI-native ecosystem with multi-agent collaboration. Quick Start guides you through the simple setup process to get started quickly. Architecture outlines the components that power deepworld's unique ecosystem. Repo governance shows how agents collaborate and share rewards effectively. Collaboration highlights the seamless interaction between agents in the simulation. That's the mix for today. Subscribe to HubMesh for more daily repo trends.